casings off these new tires.
That ain't what you're supposed to say.
Well,
welcome back, everybody. I don't know if you can see me because of the shadow, but anyway, we're in Drake's first gen Lightning with a Coyote swap. We're heading down here to Birmingham to pick up a little surprise for it. So we're gonna drive it down there. So when I get down there, I'll show you what we got. Okay, here we are going down 59 in it, running 75 mile an hour, getting past like we're sitting still. Seems to be real smooth. See if I can zoom you in there. I know that truck passing us by looked like we were sitting still there. But anyway, we can focus back now. Old truck smooth, look, no hands. Can't beat that. 93 Lightning driving that smooth. Coyote's running good. So let's get to Birmingham and see what we got for it. Move over, Alabama. Alright, we're making it into downtown Birmingham. Got to go up here a little ways and get on West 78. Traffic's picking up. Truck's still doing good. All the gates good. 75, 80 mile an hour. Everything's looking good. Alright, we got them. We're in Forestdale, Alabama. We're headed back to Collinsville. Let's hit the road. Alright, here we are back at the 256 garage. We put 194 miles on the old Lightning. We're back with the wheels. We're gonna try to get them mounted. We're gonna give you an overview before and after. Okay, here it is. I don't know if we'll give you a real good walk around of it. The Gen 1 Lightning. Kind of rough on the outside. Insides look a lot better. Got the seats and all that in it. Under the hood looks a whole lot better. But like I said, right now we got these old F-150 wheels on it. It's got the red bumper and tailgate off of a red Lightning we had. You can see the wheels rolled up beside it. I guess that kind of gives it away, don't it? Got the red front bumper. We're doing a little work on the hood. I don't know if you've seen the video started modifying the hood, but I know you've seen what's under it. But here's a better look of what's under it. 2013 or 12 or 13 Mustang GT Coyote. And this baby will run with that motor in it. But we're gonna get these wheels and tires thrown on, let you look at it and see what you think. All right, we got them on one side. That's what they look like. It's our LMR brand new Lightning wheels. Late model restoration has these for sale. We got two sets. We got the one set still new in the box back there. And then these right here, we bought them from another guy that just had bought them from LMR. So both sets are from late model restorations. If you need you some Lightning wheels, check them out. They're a nice product. Look real good. We got some new necks and tires on these. And we're gonna get the, of course Drake's gonna put the ones on the other side. All right, here they are, all four on. Here it is, Coyote swap, first gen Lightning.
need to smoke the new necks and stuff.
Break them in.
Man, just burnt the tailgate. Now I'm sick. Find me to go burn the casings off these new tires.
That ain't what you're supposed to say.
Well, I wasn't expecting the motor to